Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Har, and today I'm going to teach you how to go into Schoology, download an assignment to Notability, and to upload it as a completed or submitted assignment. You'll go into your Portage Schoology course and look for the red schoolhouse. You will go to the second folder called Portage by the Week. Our weekly folders will be set up by week, and within that week, you will see the individual days that we have school. So I'm going to click on Monday, September 14th, and I know that I've been given a math assignment by my teacher. I will click on that. Below that folder to the right, you'll see there's a pencil. That yellow pencil indicates that an assignment has been given that you need to complete and submit. I'm going to click on Monday, September 14th, Scavenger Hunt. The directions read, Number 1, you will be searching throughout your house or outdoors to find math all around you. Number 2, open the Math Scavenger Hunt PDF using Notability. If you need to review directions, please watch the video. And that's the other attachment, by the way. Pause is needed. Complete the activity and submit to Monday, September 14th, Scavenger Hunt by 3 p.m. You'll notice right above those directions and below the date, in blue it says View Attachments. You'll click there. There are 2 attachments. The first one is the video that you are now watching called Math Upload Directions. But the second one is the Math Scavenger Hunt PDF. You're going to click on that, and up will come your assignment for math for today. When you see that, you'll go to the upper right-hand corner to see the box with an arrow pointing to the right. You will click on that, and you will see some options as to where you can upload that to. You will look in the second column most likely, and you're looking for a blue background with a microphone that is half pencil. It is called Notability. Mine is the 4th one in the second row. I'm going to click on Notability. When that comes up, you'll see a smaller picture of it and 2 blue bars. You're going to look at the darker blue one called Create New Note. Click on that. Once you've done that, then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to import this. That's where you're going to complete the assignment. Click on Import. It'll say that 1 file was sent to Notability. Click Done. Once you've done that, you're going to have to go into the app Notability. So I'm going to press the Home button, and I'm going to find Notability. If you don't have Notability on your taskbar on the bottom of your iPad, I suggest putting it there so it's easily accessible. I will go ahead, click that, and I'm going to find the document called Math Scavenger Hunt. I will click on that, and I will see the assignment that I am to complete. I am going to complete the assignment, and I'll just kind of show you how to go about doing this. You have some tools up at the top, and I'll share how to use those, and we'll expand on that as we go through the year. But it says, explore the math in your home, yard, neighborhood by finding and writing the items below. You may insert a photo if you would prefer. An item can only be written once. So the first item I'm to find is something that's a circle. And I would say be creative. Walk around your house, walk around your backyard. Just be careful as you're moving around with your iPad. I know you will be responsible. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert a photo. So I took photos already, and I have a circle. So I'm going to go up to the right-hand side of my screen in the upper right-hand corner to the plus sign. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and that allows me to add media. I can add from my photo library. I can actually take a picture right then and there. I can scan a document, and you can see the number of possibilities. Since I already took the photo, I'm going to go into my photo library. And what I did was I took a picture of a coaster that sits on my dining room table, which is my teacher desk for the year. I find the one that I want. A blue box highlights the photo. Down at the bottom, you'll see Insert One Photo. I'm going to insert that photo. Now you'll notice it's too big right now and covers up some of my work. So as long as you have the 4 blue boxes around the edge of the square, then you can resize it and drag it where you want it. Once you have that up, you have some options in that black toolbar up above. I don't want all of the extra stuff, so I'm going to choose crop. And again, as long as I have those blue corners, I can drag on them. I like what I have, so I'm going to click on the yellow or the blue circle down at the bottom. And then again, I can resize this a little bit. I want to leave some room at the top because I'm going to insert some text. So up at the top of your screen, you'll see the capital letter T. That allows you to add text. So I'm going to name each of the items. So when I click on that, it allows me to draw a text box. I'm going to go ahead and create a text box. Now you'll notice when that text box comes up, you have some options. I can change the font. It's up to you. I'm going to do marker felt. I can change the size of it. I can change the color. Try to use a color that's a little bit on the darker side. Yellow would be good for, say, highlighting. In this case, I'm going to use purple. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to go ahead and type coaster. Then I can move it where I'd like it so it's centered. And I'm going to say that let's find something that comes in pairs. If I want to take the picture as I go, again, I'm going to go up to the right-hand corner, click the plus button, and in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use my camera. I'm going to move in my house, and I'm going to look for something that comes in pairs. In this case, I'm going to find a pair of my running shoes. So I'll click on camera. I will take a picture. Now, once I've taken the picture, I have an option in the bottom left-hand corner. If I'm not happy with the photo I took, I can retake it. If I like the photo, I can go ahead and use that photo. And I'm going to click on Use Photo. I see the boxes around the corner of my square or rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and resize that so that it fits in my box. Again, I want to emphasize more of the shoes. So I'm going to crop this so I get rid of some of the rug and then resize it. Then I'm going to add my text with a capital T at the top. Going to make this blue. My running shoes. And again, once I have that, I can move it over a little bit. Notice the pink line, it makes it so that is straight across from my coaster title. Now let's imagine that I was done with the assignment. When you've completed the assignment, you're going to need to upload it to Schoology. So in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see that box again with the arrow pointing up. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to ask where I want to send it to. Now, I don't see Schoology, so I'm going to go down to the very bottom where it says Other Apps. I'm going to share this note. And let's get this. I'm going to share it to Schoology. I don't see Schoology right now, so I'm going to scroll over until I see the S for Schoology. I'm going to click on Schoology. I'm going to choose to, did you see that? Submit to assignment because it's an assignment. I'm in the Portage class, and you'll see it'll always be listed by date. So we were working with Monday, September 14th, the scavenger hunt. I'll click on that. Are you sure you want to upload your submission to Monday, September 14th, scavenger hunt? And I click on upload. Take just a second to upload. And your submission has been added. Now, when I go into Schoology, I'm logged in as a student just because then I can see what you're seeing. So I'm going to log in as the teacher. So give me just a minute. And I'll just show you how I can see. Okay, so when I am checking assignments, I go to the particular assignment and I can see submissions over on the right-hand side. And it'll show me the student who turned it in and whether it was turned in on time. You will be given a date and a time that things are due. Okay, and so that will allow me, that's what I see. So I see the work that you've done. Then I can comment on it. I can add different things to it and submit it back to you so you can see, or submit the comments to you. So that is how you complete an assignment using Notability and